So this is a very quick tutorial on how to get a Vine video as a ringtone on your iPhone. So Blaze Dragon asked me about this, and yeah, I'm gonna do it. So you want to first get 3 pages. First one, the Vine video you want to have. The second one, vinedownloader.com, links in the description. And the third one, cutmp3.com. I made this much more complicated, but this is the easiest way I could find it. So here you have this.
Holy shit, it's Etho's water!
Then you want to copy the link to the Vine downloader, paste it, and download. Really easy. Download Vine, save file as Ethos water. Save it. Then you want to go to online mp3 cutter, open file, the file I just saved. Then it's gonna upload it, which may take a while dependent on your connection. Then you want to cut it right here.
Holy shit, it's Etho's water!
From here to
Shit, it's Etho's water!
here. Here you want to click iPhone ringtone. That's the most easy way. And then cut and download. Then you got the file in your download or in your download folder, I think. Yes, right here. And you want to move this to iTunes.
Holy shit, it's Etho's water!
It's gonna import it as a ringtone. Then I'm gonna change the name, and I think that's all of it. So just sync your iPhone, and there you go. So yeah, if you want to ask something else, go ahead.